National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Edwards, Illinois, Franklin, Illinois, Gallatin, Illinois, Hamilton, Illinois, Hardin, Illinois, Jefferson, Illinois, Johnson, Illinois, Massac, Illinois, Pope, Illinois, Saline, Illinois, Wabash, Illinois, Wayne, Illinois, White, Illinois, Williamson, Illinois, Gibson, Indiana, Pike, Indiana, Posey, Indiana, Spencer, Indiana, Vanderburgh, Indiana, Warwick, Indiana, Caldwell, Kentucky, Callaway, Kentucky, Christian, Kentucky, Crittenden, Kentucky, Daviess, Kentucky, Graves, Kentucky, Henderson, Kentucky, Hopkins, Kentucky, Livingston, Kentucky, Lyon, Kentucky, and McCracken, Kentucky, beginning at 5:59 p.m. March 30, 2022, and ending at 9:59 p.m. March 30, 2022. Tornado Watch 79 remains valid until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening for the following areas in Illinois. This watch includes 14 counties in southeast Illinois, Edwards and southern Illinois, Franklin, Gallatin, Hamilton, Hardin, Jefferson, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Saline, Wabash, Wayne, White, Williamson, and Indiana. This watch includes 6 counties in southwest Indiana, Posey. In southwest Indiana, Gibson, Pike, Spencer, Vanderburgh, Warwick. In Kentucky, this watch includes 18 counties in western Kentucky: Caldwell, Callaway, Christian, Crittenden, Daviess, Graves, Henderson, Hopkins, Livingston, Lyon, Marshall, McCracken, McLean, Muhlenberg, Todrick, Union, Webster. This includes the cities of Albion, Benton, Boonville, Cadiz, Calhoun, Carmi, Dixon, Eddyville, Elizabethtown, Elton, Evansville, Fairfield, Fort Branch, Galconda, Grayville, Greenville, Harrisburg, Henderson, Huron, Hopkinsville, Madisonville, Marion, Mayfield, McLeansboro, Metropolis, Morganfield, Mount Carmel, Mount Vernon, Murray, Owensboro,